We are on the M25 and we're watching the white car in lane 4. It's just moving to lane 3 now. They are going to take a very, very late exit off of the M25 onto the, I want to say M11, can't remember. Just keep an eye on them.
Okay, so there's nothing on these overheads. So does that mean it's back up to 70 now?
Very easy.
Probably won't be able to see it. I've tried to do that before and it doesn't really pick it up. Come on, we're doing 60 mile an hour. Why are you going so slowly in both of these lanes?
What the fuck? I was hoping to get past him, I think.
That's fine, just fucking pull over, that's alright. Into my braking distance, but it's fine. I'll back off because of you. Frick. Take me down here. Come on. How can I just go on that way?
Turn left onto B173 Manor Road.
Are you okay?
Misjudged it.
I hope your tires are okay.
It should be alright, it's not come up with a warning.
In 1.3 miles,
Misjudged.
turn right onto
That's okay.
A1112 Romford Road.
Can you not, mate? You were fucking very slow off the line. Don't be a shit.
It was a bit of shit.
That man, they basically were really slow off the line. And then, you know, once they got going, they were like, going as fast as I was. And just like, no, this goes into one lane. Do not block me off just because you were slow off the line. So the road to
Not touch.
In
Top roll.
1,000 feet, at the roundabout,
laser
turn
test.
left.
Yep.
what?
Top roll from laser quest. Is it?
Why the fuck would you try and overtake? Yeah, I know.
In half a mile, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto A132 Golden Jubilee Way.
That's sensible. You get out of someone speeding, or get out of the way of someone who's speeding, and you cut me up who wasn't speeding. That's fine. Just put me in danger for some
1,000 feet.
absolute idiot.
At the roundabout, take the third.
It's just fucking dangerous, that. Fucking dangerous.
Use the right two lanes to keep right.
Stupid. How stupid was that? In this weather again, to do a move like that, squeeze in between two cars. The fuck is that doing in the road?
Now, why would you want to park in one space when you can park across about 3 or 4 of them? Like this car here. Why? Why?
And the lane which goes straight over. Whoa, fucking hell. That was almost a crash. Bikes are exempt from the fucking rules apparently. Fucking hell!
What the fuck?
Where the fuck are you going?
Poor bloke in the... He just looks like...
You see, there's so many times where a car in the second lane cuts across the car in lane 1 for this exit lane here. So many times that happens.
Oh, for fuck's sake, it's a fucking great place to fucking park up, isn't it? Stupid. Why? Park up on the corner of a junction. Doesn't matter about anyone else fucking around. I need to get my bikes in, so I'm parking right here.
Yeah.
Fucking stupid.
Probably will be able to take a lot.
Oh my god.
I don't want to take the roundabout road because I'm a loser.
Here we're watching this gold car. This absolute prick in the gold car. So one, they can't seem to control their lanes. And then, look at this. Right up my arse. And you know what? They're actually in the wrong lane. Because they want to turn left at the roundabout. But apparently I'm getting in their way because they start flashing me. We're coming up to a roundabout and a crossing there. Do they expect me not to slow down? I don't understand it. And then they turn left here without indicating. Just swipe across. God forbid someone's actually in the right lane to go straight there.
Behind there. No reason to take up both lanes there. No, car behind the side, and they are more important as well. Just again, switch lanes without fucking indicating. Just block me.
Now this is sped up 3 times the speed because we're watching this silver car to the right in lane 2. Now I want you to know how much time that they actually had to move into lane 1. See this nice big gap in front of me? They've got all that space. They can easily get into that. But they don't. So here they are, still in lane 2. They get in the way of someone else who's just about to appear here. And then decide, oh, they need the next exit, which is right here. Great forward planning. Just a little bit further on, again, lovely forward planning. This time by this red car. You see this nice big gap which they can pull into. I know there's a slip road here, but they can still pull into it now. They decide against it. They want to overtake me for the next exit.
Oh my god, if you want the exit, get in the lane early. pull into the
Have
braking
we got
zone.
an Essex yet?
No, we've got 3.2 miles or so to go. Yeah, get dust on your car, you dickhead. I've got a motorbiker being an idiot. What are you doing? Get off!
No protective cover or whatsoever.
Fucking idiot. My god.